Good morning, physics. Happy Tuesday, April 29th. Today we're going to be sort of talking about this little hands-on lab I'd like you all to try. It's about making waves in water. If basically only things you need are like a bowl and probably your phone camera, if you can record slow-mo videos, I think that would make it better. I did a couple attempts on this lab, and there are some suggestions. I'll show you one of the videos I took of it, of basically how to run it. And then I'll give you some suggestions of how to improve it, because there were some things I did that I think would be better in terms of data gathering if you all did it a slightly different way. So with this, what you're basically doing is you're getting a bowl of liquid, or say a Tupperware full, something that's clear that you can see through, and you're going to be dropping water on it. In my version, I was using a hand cloth and a Tupperware container. I put water I soaked up water on the cloth, and then I squeezed it out to sort of drop water droplets at varying heights, starting from lower, going higher and higher and higher. One of the things with this, though, is I realized that with the angle that I was filming at, didn't really work well. So what I would say is if you have your container here, you have your phone to the side of it, and you can take a slow-mo video to sort of see how these water droplets affect the patterns of the ripples in the water. I'd also suggest the Tupperware I used had an uneven bottom. So what I might suggest is if you're using a Tupperware, try and make sure the bottom's even on it. And then with all this, there are just some few questions you're trying to answer. So the basic idea of it all is you're going to be just sort of squeezing a drop of water in the center of your container from varying heights and sort of recording what goes on, because we're looking at how the energy, because as a water droplet falls from a higher and higher height, it's going to have more and more energy as it impacts the water. And we're going to be looking at how that impact affects sort of the pattern, so the shape of the waves, as well as if it affects anything else. So those are the ideas that you're going to do. So you're going to collect some data. As you saw, my video wasn't very long, so your videos don't really have to be all that long to record data. It is useful if you have, like, say, a ruler or something that's a particular length, that you could then sort of do some measurements of some kind. I'd like you to try. It's going to be a little bit of haphazard, catch as you can type situation, because I'm sure not everyone has a ruler. I didn't even really have a ruler. I sort of made my own using a marker and some paper to the best of my ability. So you're going to sort of analyze your data, and then you're going to try and sort of construct an explanation. And so it's really just 4 questions that you're going to answer. I'm going to put these up on Jupyter so you can answer them there. So the idea here is you're just literally testing water droplets by sort of squeezing them onto water and sort of watching the ripples and seeing the patterns that emerge. And then you're going to answer the questions. So that is all for today. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any additional questions, feel free to contact me as always. And that's all. Have a good day.